Most people think you need heavy weights to build a serious back. Bars, plates, machines. You don't. What you actually need is tension and the ability to control it. If you can create tension with your body, you can build a wide, thick, powerful back at home. No gym, no equipment. The back isn't one muscle, it's a system. Your lats create width, your upper back creates thickness, and your lower back creates density and stability. And unlike chest or arms, the back responds extremely well to slow reps, long holds, and controlled contractions. That's why bodyweight training works if you do it right. First rule, don't rush reps. Momentum kills tension, and tension is everything. Second rule, the movement starts with your shoulder blades, not your arms. If you pull with your hands, your arms grow. If you pull with your back grows. Third rule, every rep needs a stretch and a squeeze. No half reps, no shortcuts. Let's start with width. Door frame or towel rows. Lean back, pull your elbows down towards your hips, not back, down. Pause at the top, squeeze your lats. Lower yourself slowly, 5 seconds down. That slow negative replaces weight. One arm lat pulls. Grab the frame, lean your body away, pull your elbow down while keeping your chest tall. This forces the lat to work alone. If you don't feel your lat burning, you're using your arm. Slow it down. Straight arm pull-down motions. Arms mostly straight. Pull by driving your shoulders and lats, not your elbows. This is lat control. Most people never develop it. Now thickness. Inverted rows. Pull your chest to the surface. Pause, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Hold for 2 seconds at the top. If it's easy, slow it down. Prone yai, TW, raises. Face down, arms sweep slowly from overhead to your sides. No jerking, no swinging, just control. A strong back isn't just upper muscle, it's structure. Bodyweight good mornings. Hinge back, neutral sparring, slow reps. Then controlled Superman holds. Lift, hold, breathe. This is endurance and stability. Here's how you replace weight. Slow eccentrics, 5 to 10 seconds lowering. Pauses at peak contraction. Isometric holds until your back shakes. Change body position as you fatigue. That's intensity. Most people turn back training into arm training. They rush. They avoid long holds because it burns. That burn is growth. If you don't stretch at the bottom and squeeze at the top, you're wasting reps. You don't need 10 exercises. One width movement, one thickness movement, one structural movement. Train back 2 to 3 times a week. Progress by slowing reps, adding holds, and increasing total tension time. Equipment doesn't build backs. Tension does. If you control the rep and own the contraction, you can build a demon back anywhere. No gym required.